In this lesson, we are going to look at 8 important points that you should put into consideration before taking Viagra, or what we call Sildenafil. So the first point that you should know about Sildenafil is that typical prescription is normally 50 milligrams or 100 milligram tablet. Point number 2. Dosage lasts 4 to 8 hours depending on the dosage. Point number 3. 100 milligram tablet can be split into 250 milligram tablets. Point number 4. After splitting the 100 milligram tablets into 250 milligram tablets, the effect should also last 4 to 8 hours. This is because we have just said that the dosage comes in either 50 milligram tablets or 100 milligrams tablets. Point number 5. Sildenafil often acts faster than tadalafil. So that one is a very important point for you to note. Now, basing on that point number 5, point number 6 is sildenafil should be taken 30 minutes to 4 hours prior to sexual activity. Point number 7, arousal is required before erection begins. Then last but not least is effect of medication does not wear off after erection is achieved. Finally, I would like to inform you that this video is for informational purpose only and is not meant to be a basis for self-prescription. Seek medical advice from your healthcare provider. Check in the comment section. I have shared a video on tadalafil. That is a medication that is used to treat erectile dysfunction. I've also shared the alternatives to the use of tadalafil. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, so this will encourage me to post more and more videos on the same.